If you want to improve accountability in your team, transparent time logs are a game changer. Time logs not only provide visibility into how each team member spends their day, but they also promote responsibility and trust. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to improve accountability with transparent time logs, using simple strategies and an easy-to-use tool that can make a real difference. Stick around till the end to see how you can get started with a free trial of the software we'll be using today, exclusive to viewers of my channel. First, let's talk about the key benefits of transparent time logs. When every team member logs their time transparently, it creates a culture of accountability. You know exactly where the time is going, and it's easy to spot inefficiencies or bottlenecks. Plus, it eliminates the guesswork. Everyone knows what's expected of them and can track their own progress. Whether you're working on a small team or managing a larger group, clear time tracking is essential for improving performance and boosting trust. So how do you implement this in a way that's effective and easy to follow? First, start with a reliable software. We'll be using a simple tool for time tracking that allows you to log your hours, categorize tasks, and even track the time spent on specific projects. I've tested a lot of time tracking software, but this one stands out because it's user-friendly and has great features for transparency, including real-time updates and detailed reports. If you want to follow along with the tool, make sure you grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Next, set clear guidelines on how time should be logged. Make sure every team member knows exactly what details are required, such as the project name, task description, time spent, and any other relevant notes. This ensures consistency across the board and makes it easier to track progress. The clearer the logs, the more useful they'll be for accountability. Now let's talk about visibility. Transparent time logs aren't helpful if no one looks at them. Make sure everyone on your team has access to the time logs. The software we're using today allows for easy sharing of logs, so your team can see each other's progress and hold each other accountable. This also gives you a chance to review your own productivity and adjust your approach if needed. Another tip is to use regular check-ins or reports. Instead of waiting until the end of the week, use the software to generate daily or weekly summaries of logged time. This way, you can catch issues early, give feedback, and make adjustments as needed. Regular reports will keep everyone aligned and remind them that their time logs are being reviewed. Also, encourage your team to be honest in their time entries. Transparent time logs only work when everyone is truthful about their time spent. Some people might be tempted to overestimate or underestimate their hours. Avoid this by promoting an open culture where everyone feels comfortable being honest. The final piece of advice is to provide constructive feedback based on the time logs. If you notice someone consistently working overtime or spending too much time on non-priority tasks, have a conversation. Time logs help you spot trends and patterns, making it easier to identify areas for improvement and provide the support your team members need. To wrap up, improving accountability with transparent time logs comes down to 3 key actions: choosing the right software, ensuring clear and consistent logging, and promoting visibility and honesty. Regular reviews and feedback will make your time logs even more effective. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we use today, linked in the description below. It's a great way to get started with time tracking, improve accountability, and boost productivity across your team. Key takeaway: the key to improving accountability with transparent time logs is consistency and visibility. Use the right software, ensure clear logging, and create an environment where everyone is held accountable for their time. If you want to start using this tool today, grab the free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.